This 2022 Forest River Work and Play 29SS is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll see your kitchen, which is a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven and a range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. Next to your fridge is a multimedia head unit and a charging station. Across from this, you'll find 2 reclining seats and a fold-down table. Moving further into the back is your space for toy hauling, but you also have 2 opposing folding sofa beds and a queen-size bed, all of which is on an electric lift system. Moving back to the front, you'll see your flat-screen TV. In the master bedroom, you have a king-size bed and a separate entry to the bathroom. And outside the bathroom is your control panel, where you can control functions such as your lights, slides, and awning. Returning outside, make note of the location of your generator, as well as your cable and satellite hookup, your water connections, your power hookup, and your fuel dispenser. You have a rear hatch door that works as a ramp for loading up motorcycles or ATVs, or as a fenced deck. And on your entry side, you have 2 exterior speakers. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.